What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Monday, 3:55 p.m. Got done with work a little bit early and I'm heading home. I'll tell you all about that coming right up. Hey everybody, I'm Andrew Manuel. This is my YouTube channel, Touring Midwest, and I'm gonna try and rush home kind of quick today because I was on my route for work about 30 miles east of here, and it was blowing probably close to 50 miles an hour, and out of nowhere just pouring all of a sudden. Couldn't keep my work truck in my lane, couldn't see, I couldn't pass anybody. It was miserable, and I don't really feel like dealing with that on the bike. So I'm going home. Anyway, yeah, I was worried when I saw that because my plan was to make a little video on the way home. So that's what I'm doing. Because if you guys are not new and you've been around for a while, you might have realized that this season, man, it is still windy, crazy. This season I have not put out as many motovlogs as previous years. And the reason is because I've been working on a new motovlogging setup, and I have just not found something that worked for me for audio. In the past, I started doing this in 2013. I've always had a wireless setup. I used the GoPro Hero 3 and then the Hero 4 Black in conjunction with the Sena GP10, which is the Bluetooth wireless backpack that goes on the GoPro. So I was able to record my audio wirelessly directly into the GoPro. Well, I had some issues with my Hero 4. The shutter button stopped working, so I always have to use the GoPro remote, but then I have to get into the settings and make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on for the remote, and it's just one more hassle that makes motovlogging not simple. And I don't have a problem with work ethic, but you know, I'm always in a hurry, so putzing around trying to get everything connected and working just frustrates me. I don't always have time to do it, so I just needed something fast and simple. I switched to the Hero 6, which is so amazing. Video quality. I saw a motovlogger, Brian, from Two Wheel Obsession, and he was testing out a new motovlogging setup, and I thought, the video is incredible, the audio sounds crisp and clear. That's what I want. I want to up my motovlog game, and I was in the market for something anyways. So rather than getting a new Hero 4, I ended up going with the GoPro Hero 6. So everything is fine except for the audio. I keep running into problems with the audio, and I've tried a couple different mics and a different mic placement, moving things around, and just frustrated with it because I kept getting this crackling and popping, which is what I was trying to get away from in the first place. I want crisp, clear, clean, audio. So anyway, I think I have that now. I just got a new mic over the weekend, got it wired up. I did a little sample on the way to work today, and I think it was pretty good. My GoPro battery died like a little over a minute after I connected it, so I didn't get a good sample for video. So anyways, now on the way home from work, I'm trying it again. The one thing I did notice was I didn't have a mic cover on, so I got a little piece of foam and put over it for now until I can find my spare mic cover. So hopefully that's sounding good still, and you're hearing this. if you're not hearing it on the GoPro, I'm also using the Sena Prism Tube Wi-Fi, and I've got that connected as kind of a backup. That's a product that I'm testing right now. So it looks like they're turning. I'm gonna turn. So I'm testing that out. I'm kind of just in the process of testing it out. I'm working on mic placement with that as well. So yeah, so hopefully everything's good and crisp and clear and just awesome. And it's a little late in the season for it, since it's halfway through September now, and my riding season is almost over up here in Minnesota. I think this morning it was nice and warm, 70s perhaps, and it got up like mid to high 80s. Super humid. Look at these branches that blew down. That wind passed through town too, I guess, but they didn't get the rain yet. So I don't know if that missed us or if it's still coming or what, but anyway. So yeah, I'm, you know, if I get another month or so riding, it'll be hit or miss, because we're getting into our cool rainy season. I mean, we'll have some beautiful days too, but nothing hot and super warm. Mornings and evenings will be very chilly. So, well, you know, it's definitely coming to an end. So I mean, it is kind of a shame that I was having so many issues, but I really needed to get them worked out and get something solid so I could put out good content. Good content for you to enjoy. So hopefully that's what we have here. Hopefully it all works out. I'm gonna go home and check it out. So there you go. Appreciate you guys so very, very much. Stay safe out there as always. There's that wind. Whew. Have a good one, and we will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. Peace. Whoa, Betty.